Hi, welcome to Complete Auto Reports. Here is a short video on how the job board works within CAR. You can select or filter by status, employee, labels, or flags. In addition, each column represents the status within CAR. So you have things like appointment, in progress, approval awaited, work in progress, invoiced, and paid. So each service request is represented through a tile where you have the CAR ID number, which upon clicking opens up that service request in a new window for you. Additionally, the action menu is the icon with the 3 circles on the top right. Here are all the actions that you can complete from the job board. You have date and time, vehicle information, vehicle photos that may have been put into the profile, customer, dial out. You can add notes right from our job board, and job board tiles let you know if videos or photos have been uploaded. Additionally, if you have used our integrations with Parts Tech or NextPart, you will find their logos also in the job board. And here, upon clicking on it, you can see any parts that are in your cart and not ordered, or view any orders that have already been placed. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day.